Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a seated knee raise march. Alternate lifting from right to left, moving at your own pace, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue sitting tall with your navel back towards your spine, lightly lifting through your lower belly. Feeling this action awaken your center. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, adding a leg extension. Optional to tap your hands together under each leg. Continue sitting tall, moving at your own pace, resting when you need to, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, while stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, reach one arm down the leg of your chair. Return to upright and repeat on the opposite side. Continue moving from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.